guys, so my new computer just arrived. Now let's get this thing open. Okay, let's see what we have here. So, we have a box inside of a box. Give me a second and let me get this out. All right, so now we have box number 2. And it's an Alienware. So, let's get this one open now. So I ordered this about a month ago. Actually, I ordered it on June 10th, and they had to build it for me, and it just now got here today. So what do we got over here? Okay, so these are the ports that I have on the front and the back. Cool. Are you kidding me? Another box? Oh wait, no, this is, okay. So, instruction booklet. Comes with a little cheapo mouse, and my last Alienware actually, the mouse actually was branded with the Alienware logo, and this one just looks like a pretty basic mouse. Here's my power cord, and then this must be the keyboard. It's probably a basic keyboard. Yeah, I already have an Alienware keyboard. I'm not worried about it. And there she is. So I went with the Lunar Light chassis because it has more RGB, of course. So let me get this thing out and I'll sit it upright and show you guys. We'll be right back. So here it is out of the box. This is gonna be my new rig. It's gonna be replacing an Alienware Aurora R4 that I got back in 2013. So this is the Alienware Aurora R11. So, you know, I figured I was due for an upgrade, but I will do a walk around on this. Here's all the ports on the back. And here's the other side. So it looks like it has lots of little plastic bits that I have to rip off, which is always, you know, satisfying. It's like shredding into pieces. But yeah, we don't want to leave a piece of plastic on here and cover up the vents. Okay, how does this come off? Nice. Okay, I think that's it. So let me get this thing turned on and I will show you guys the inside. All right, so here she is turned on. Okay, so I got the back off of the PC here. And let's see what we are working with. So, I don't know if you can see this, but this is an RTX 2080 Super, and it's actually liquid cooled through the PCIe port underneath, which is what these two tubes are doing, which is pretty cool. Up here we have the solid state drive, and I should actually be able to swing this out. I've never done this before, so stand by. Oh. Okay. So this swings out. And looks like we have our HyperX Fury RAM right there. This is a 10900K, and this is also liquid cooled as well. And there is the RTX 2080 Super. So it looks pretty cramped in here. We'll see how it does with heating. I'm kind of glad I went with the liquid cooled GPU because this is a very, very tight space. All right, to be continued is my old Alienware PC, the R4. And it's got these little fins on the top. It's actually a pretty cool computer. I know it's a little dusty. But this is the keyboard I got, microphone, camera is up there. But all of this is gonna be going to the new PC and literally just replacing the box. So I'll show you guys what that looks like here in a moment. Okay guys, so here it is all set up in all of its glory. Looking pretty nice. So got my iPad right there, my microphone. This is the camera that I use. I got an ultra wide monitor with the Alienware keyboard, and I have a Razer mouse. I don't even know what it's called. It's a Razer mouse. And then I got like an up and down screen that I use for like Discord and to read messages and stuff when I'm streaming. So pretty nice. I'm loving it. All right guys, I know this video is not MCOC related. I just wanted to share my unboxing. I'm gonna be using this for all my video editing, and I'm also gonna be using this computer for my live streams. I'll leave the specs in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I need to edit some videos. So, peace.